Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Hi guys, my name is Gani. Hello, Gani.
Nah, sekarang bawa anak-anak ke tempat yang aman.
Baiklah.
You missed a spot. Stare it right there. In the hood, right there.
I'm gonna make you scream!
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with my...
Everyone say Princess Lanny. Princess Lanny?
Times together. I'm gonna miss that the most, I think. Yeah.
What happened to you? That song?
Mater, let's go! You're on!
down to the metal and stop so it doesn't hit you instead. Is lightning really...
Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had.
Alive for my whole life.
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen.
Yes. Well, sure you can, Mac. Look, it'll be easy. I'll stay up with you.
All night.
All
McQueen and Sally. Park beneath the tree. K-I-S-S.
Let's.
Dedicate my win tomorrow to Miss Sally.
Oh, sorry. I already did it.
Tonight, too.
Well, quit your yapping and tow this delinquent road hazard to traffic.
Didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay, I'm good.
Time to be reminded on how to behave. But coaches will get cross. They'll pay.
Get back, you oil-thirsty parasite!
Actually, this is my good side here.
Oh, number 7 is loose! Shoot, Todoroki!
out of the way.
Excuse me, sir. Where are the other racers?
Oh, they'll be along.
We are...
Too upright. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Oh,
maybe
thanks,
gold
man.
flames.
Gave up the piston cup. You know that?
Ah, this grumpy old race car I know once told me something.
Oye, Wingo, otro carril, ahí va. Ahí va de regreso.
Okay, I didn't want to have to do this, Doc, but you leave me no choice. Fellow citizens, you're all...
¡Qué gran escape!
2% lower drag coefficient.
Oh, what a finish!
5% increased downforce.
Hey, young man, you're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Oh, sure.
Act civilized. We got.
Good chica!
I've been kind of lonely. Nobody to hang out with. I may accept the dining.
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will beat his...